I'm doing a course project in interview the foreign. Could you please help us by answering some questions?
Yeah, sure, no
It
problem.
will take about 8 or 10 minutes.
Okay, that's fine.
And can we take the video?
Sure.
Thank you. So let's begin with the first question. Are you a tourist?
No.
What do you do in Thailand?
I'm doing a project for because I'm studying civil engineering in the Netherlands, and I'm doing a project for that study here in Thailand about coastal erosion at Cham and Hua Hin.
Have you ever had a travel in Thailand?
A bit. We went to Khao Sok and to some islands.
Are there any places that you want to go?
Maybe to Chiang Mai.
What do you think about the Thailand in traffic aspect?
Very busy. Very busy, yeah.
Did you have any bad experience in using the Thailand transportation?
Yeah, when you're in the city center, it's sometimes hard to find a taxi back to here because it's too far away for the taxi drivers.
What about the prices of the taxi?
Well, when they just want to drive on the meter, then it's okay.
How many countries that you have been to?
I guess around 10.
And what was the first trip and what was it like?
The first trip to another country, you mean?
Yeah.
That's a long time ago, I guess. That was, I think, to Luxembourg with scouting on a summer camp.
Do you have any funny story about travel?
No, I can't really. One time I went backpacking in Sweden, and with a large backpack, and immediately the first day I burned my shoulders and my back from the sun, and then I had to walk like a week around with a big bag and burn the shoulders.
And which is the worst place that you have ever been to?
The worst place. I think some parts of Paris, because there are a lot of people trying to sell you something, and they're really, really enthusiastic and sometimes even a bit aggressive.
Which was the place that you want to go in your target, the place that you want to go and you have never been to?
Just all over the world?
Yeah.
Something. I really want to go to New Zealand one day.
And from the place that you have been to, which place was your favorite?
I think it was Sweden.
So we move on to another topic that one related with the traveling. We go
Again?
off the topic. What is your hobby?
Scouting. I'm a Boy Scout leader, and I really like that.
And do you like to sports?
I like to do sports. Last time I mostly do fitness, but I also like to play table tennis.
Yeah, table tennis is quite fun. I also like it.
Very nice.
Um, and in Thailand, what food do you like in Thailand? Thai food.
Well, I like most food actually, as long as it's not spicy, then it's okay. But when it's spicy, I don't really like it.
Um, if you had a chance, will you come back here in Thailand?
Yeah, I think so.
Which kind of movie do you like?
Yeah, I like action movies with lots of explosions and things like that, and but also more serious movies about things that really happened or based on a true story.
And what is your favorite one?
My favorite movie? Oh, that's a difficult one. I really like the Terminator films. I don't think they're really good, but I like them because of Arnold Schwarzenegger, how he talks, and well, yeah.
And your favorite actors?
Well, Arnold Schwarzenegger is one of my favorites. Christian Bale and Tom Hanks I also think are. Oh, and Leonardo DiCaprio. I think that's.
And the actress?
Yeah, I don't know. No, I don't really have a favorite actress or something. But I think Jennifer Lawrence is pretty good. That's it.
Yeah, I also like it. And what about the music?
Yeah, I listen to quite a lot of different music from a little bit soul to heavy metal. And I also sometimes listen to just pop, things like that.
What about Thai songs? Have you ever listened to it?
Yeah, well, I sometimes hear Thai music, but yeah, I don't understand it, and I don't know who sings it, so yeah.
So let me ask you, what makes you feel weird if you saw some Thais do in Thailand?
But if I
What do you see weird things in Thailand?
weird things in Thailand. Can't really think of anything right now. Yeah, what I think is pretty weird is that you almost never get a knife while you're eating. It's always a spoon and a fork, and I'm used to eat with a fork and a knife, so that is quite, yeah. That was pretty weird at first.
To compare with your country, is there a lot of difference between your hometown and Thailand?
Yeah, well, the Netherlands is pretty small, and yeah, at least Bangkok is really busy. It's not that busy in the Netherlands, and the climate is very different. Right now in the Netherlands, it's around 0 degrees Celsius, while here it's really, really hot. So yeah, that's quite a big difference. And yeah, there are also some cultural differences. Like here, people, the religion is mostly Buddhism, while in the Netherlands it's mostly Christianity. And I think you can also see that in the way people behave and act towards each other.
In the way of civil engineering, What is your favorite construction in your country?
My favorite civil engineering construction. Well, that would be, I think, the sand engine, and it's a big mega nourishment. It's a lot of sand dumped on the coast, and it's really, really big, like ridiculously big. It's really weird that they even constructed it, but they did, and it's quite beautiful, I think.
Okay, if you have, yeah, I may ask you to say some word about Thailand in 3 words. What do you want to say?
I have to describe Thailand in 3 words. Well, warm. Yeah, well, nice people. But yeah, then I have 3 words. It's really difficult to describe Thailand in 3 words. At least I think it's it's warm. People are nice. The food is nice. And that's it, I think.
Okay, thank you for your time. It's been a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you.
So.